Cleaning with microbes. Biological solution to reduce infection risk. Problem statement. As clinical practice shows, any hospital room has an increased pathogenic background, which can be detected with the help of control measurements to determine the microbial strain. Any microbial laboratory can do this. The magnitude of the pathogenic load is large and is an additional factor for a patient who develops an infectious disease. It is this factor that determines the fatal outcome for the patient. If we remove the negative factor of pathogenic load, then medical doctors will do their job without problems according to their protocol. The patient will recover quickly. Recommendations for the room where the patient is located. Each room of the hospital in which the patient is located consists of solid surfaces: floor, walls, door, windows, ceiling, furniture. Each solid surface has a porous character. Pathogenic microbes constantly live in these porous caves. If you treat this surface with ordinary disinfection, then you cannot get a positive result. Bad pathogenic microbes ignore disinfection. Pathogens hide in the porous surface under the biofilm, and after the end of the disinfectant, they again come to the surface and begin active reproduction. This creates additional pathogenic pressure on the patient. This excessive pathogenic presence is directly proportional to the infectious risk. And traditional disinfection of the room does not improve, but on the contrary, worsens the patient's condition, as it reduces the patient's immunity. This is clinically proven. Immunity decreases from disinfection of the room. If we have a task to reduce the pathogenic load in the room with the patient, then we absolutely cannot apply disinfection. Disinfection is prohibited. Disinfection accelerates the onset of death. Instead of disinfection, we propose microbial purification, a new biological solution to reduce the risk of infection. What should I do? Probiotic cleansing method. 1. In order to reduce the risk of infection in a closed room, it is necessary to reduce the pathogenic load in this room. 2. In order to reduce the pathogenic load in the room, it is necessary to create a competitive environment for these pathogens so that the pathogens stop their activity. 3. To stop the activity of pathogens, it is necessary, Gauss's law, to saturate the room with useful active microbes that are safe for humans. 4. The number of beneficial microbes, probiotics, should be large and constantly entering the space of this room. This is called probiotic dominance. 5. For the patient, it is necessary to create such a microbial environment inside the room when probiotics will dominate over any other types of microbes. 6. Such dominance must be permanent and stable. 7. To do this, in practice, we must preemptively saturate the room with probiotics. We must create an excessive amount of beneficial natural microbes probiotics every day. 8. Additionally, we must, in addition to saturating the space, saturate the human skin surface with probiotics. 9. The room space can be saturated with probiotics both in the presence of the patient and in the absence of the patient. It is safe. 10. The saturation of the room with probiotics consists of two measures: cleaning the surfaces with a biological cleaning solution and saturating the airspace of the room with clean probiotics from the sprayer. 11. Frequency of cleaning of surfaces 1 time in 3 days. The frequency of indoor air irrigation is 1 time in 3 hours. 12. For cleaning surfaces, a detergent with probiotics UNC, universal cleaner, is used. Working concentration 5%. 13. To saturate the room air, the air purifier STB, stabilizer, is used. Working concentration 10%. 14. The laboratory takes control measurements of the surface and air cleanliness every day. Expected result: reduction of the pathogenic tension, scheduled during the first 2 weeks. Then comes the mode of stabilization of a low level of pathogenic load. Probiotic cleansing activities are ongoing. Your attention was presented to the method of purification by microbes as a biological solution to reduce the risk of infection. Thank you for your attention.